ナマステ、あいやいえ、こんにちは、ゆきこです。今日も動画見てくださってありがとうございます。今日はですね、私の友達の家に今滞在させてもらっていて、すごく素敵な布をたくさん持っている友達なので、インタビューのような形でやっていきたいなと思います。私も彼女がそんなにたくさんの布を持ってること知らなくて、昨日見せていただいたらすごいインド各地の布があって美術館みたいだなと思ったので、今日は質問しながらやっていきたいと思います。Okay, could you introduce yourself a little bit?
Yes. Hi, my name is Rama. I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan, but I'm living in Hyderabad and with my husband and my daughter. And we have a restaurant called Imli Sarai. My husband is chef, so he started a restaurant 3 years ago. And I have my own interest from long time. I'm very interested in a fabric. Because in India there is a very different kind of a textile. So many we have a choice. We have a very diversity in our fabric and all. So I try to collect different fabric, and I used to do a business in a small level, but it didn't work so well. So now I want to restart my business with a little bigger scale, and I want to introduce people also about my fabric and all. I'm glad you people are interested in my fabrics. This is a fabric from Rajasthan, and it's the block print fabric, especially in Rajasthan. This is a famous in Rajasthan. So always block print they do in a cotton only, but sometimes people use other cloth also for block printing. And this is, you can see it, this is called a bandage. Bandage. Bandage fabric is famous in Gujarat, but some people they are doing in Rajasthan also, but Gujarat bandage is a very famous.
From Gujarat?
I bought it in Rajasthan. Maybe they got it from Gujarat, but I bought it in Rajasthan.
It's nice.
Yeah, so this is thing. And this is also, you can see this fabric also block print, from Jaipur.
Yeah.
And that I want to tell you, this is from Telangana, state of south of India. So this is a very pure handloom cotton fabric. I always go to see a good exhibition, and where people come from a small village. They have a small shop and they have a small factory for their. In handloom they can do in the house also. You just have to make a thread with the wood. This thread become a fabric. So this is a very long process to make, and it's very good for our health.
For our health too.
Yes,
Oh, really?
for our health. Because Yukiko, always cloth is touching our skin. So especially in the south of India, it's hot.
We sweat a lot.
So they prefer to wearing cotton. So this is a very high quality of cotton fabric. And this is from Bangla, Calcutta. This is called Katha work also, and this is called Jamdani.
Did you get this also from exhibition?
Yes, this is also from exhibition.
In the exhibition, from all over India, there comes
Yes. All over India, because I can't go everywhere to buy.
It's true. Yeah.
So I prefer when people come from different places from India. I go and I'll buy different fabric. And because in my shop I want to keep all types of fabric,
So diverse. It's very interesting. Do you have any point to select your fabric?
So I prefer to make it like a more good quality of fabric. This is like, you can see, handmade fabric. They did it all design. They did it by hand, not machine. Because every thread you can see like a different way. If you make it with machine, it's the same design. But with hand you can see little bit mistake. That's mean you can see this thread is a yellow thread
but
is coming in
more
red.
warm.
Yes. Because they did it by hand. That's why you can see this difference.
So has more uniqueness.
So that's more valuable. This is more pure.
So when you started to collect such a lot of fabric?
So I started in 2016. I did a small business in Udaipur, and it didn't work so well. But I feel like I learned a lot. And then I went to Delhi in 2021, and in winter in Delhi lot of exhibition happening.
Okay.
So I went to exhibition and I bought so many things.
Oh, so you went to Delhi to collect new fabrics?
No. I went to visit my friend. We have a house
okay,
there,
but
so we just
at
went
the same
there.
time,
But
you had
same
chance.
time, I went to exhibition to
it's
collect fabric.
lucky.
You know?
Okay.
For, exhibition is always for my fabric.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's nice.
This is a very pure fabric. It's a malka. That organization in Hyderabad, they make a very pure handloom malka fabric. So this is a hand dyed, natural dyed.
Natural dye.
Natural
okay.
dyed. It's
Very
not like
nice.
with the chemicals. So you can see difference with natural dyed
Yeah.
and chemical dyed. So this is a very, very good for our health also, for skin and all.
But can we wash these clothes at home?
You can wash, but I prefer to not use a chemical
Yeah.
detergent for this kind of clothes.
Of course.
And because this is a natural dye,
Yeah.
and don't you put in the machine.
Okay.
It should be hand washed.
Yeah.
It's very, very delicate. Not all, but few fabrics are
Sure,
very delicate.
sure.
So we have to take care of very nicely and wisely.
Yeah, but your keeping weight looks very nice.
Thank
All
you.
fabrics are so clean and it's nice. So in future, do you want to expand these products
Yes,
to
yes, of
international?
course. Yeah.
Let's share some Indian culture together if possible.
I love to.
Yeah.
I love to give good fabric to Japanese people.
Yes, please check her Instagram.
Whenever you want any fabric, you can reach out to Yukiko and
Yeah.
you can let me know.
Yeah.
And I will provide you good fabric.
Sure. Okay.
私自身も彼女から布を購入して2色のクルターを仕立ててもらいました。
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Actually, last time when we met, you were in totally different environment, and we didn't see such a lot of fabric.
Yes.
So I am so surprised.
My
and
daughter
so,
is here.
Yeah, totally.
Baby.
Hey, come. Good morning. Hey,
Flower.
thank you. Thank you. では番外編で、滞在先のお友達と動画を作ってみました。これからですね、どんな風にこのファブリックを紹介できるかわかんないんですけど、もし彼女のビジネスの進展があれば私のチャンネルでもシェアさせていただこうと思うので、ぜひ興味のある方はですね、彼女のインスタグラムと概要欄に貼ってますのでチェックしてみてください。はい。Oh, cute! Thank you!
7年前ラマの運営する NGO でお世話になったのですが、その時と変わらない愛情深さと挑戦心あふれる彼女の姿に私も良い刺激をもらいました。彼女たちのレストランはとても開放的な空間でバリエーション豊かなメニューが揃っていました。参加させていただいたイベントではサリーを着せてもらい、インド各地のワインととても美味しいチーズをいただき、たくさんの起業家の方とお話ししてモチベーションが湧いてきました。
今日はですね、ハイデラバードに移動してきて最初の日になります。コルカタに比べてハイデラバードは静かで観光地も前よりも落ち着いて見れそうだなと思うので楽しんでいきたいと思います。
今回訪れたゴールコンダフォートは13世紀ごろカーカティア朝によって築かれて16、17世紀に繁栄し拡張したそうです。かなり巨大な城塞都市で城壁は約11キロにも及ぶそうです。
今このフォートの一番上まで来たんですけど、意外と上に来ると何もなかったっていう、ちょっとねいい景色が見えるかなとか思ったんですけど、他にもなんか一人で旅行してるんだっていう女の子がいて、ちょっとおしゃべり しながら頑張って登ってきました。緑が多いですね。でも上から見るより下から見た方が良かったかもしれないです。さあちょっとさらに冒険していきたいと思います。
ここでケイララから観光に来ているというグループの人たちと仲良くなったので、少し彼らの言語を教わってみました。
How to say hello?
Malayalam. Hello.
Namaskaram. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
How to say how are you?
സുപ്രഭാതം.
Suprabhat nahi hai. How are you?
എന്താണ് വിശേഷം?
എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം?
Too long in
എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം?
Incubation. Visheshun. Okay, then that's one. How do you say it's hot? Hot.
ചൂട്
Chud.